Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. In this video we're going to see how to crochet this foundation half double crochet or chainless half double crochet. We are going to create a half double crochet on the chains at the same time. Let's see how to crochet this. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well. So go ahead, create a slip knot, work chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook onto the second chain from the hook, pull through the loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through only 1 loop. We have created the chain, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. We've created a half double crochet. And earlier we have created 1 chain. So we have created a chain and a half double crochet at the same time. Yarn over, insert your hook onto the first chain that we have created, that's down below. I'm just inserting my hook onto both the loops. That means I'm inserting on the chain that is created down below. Pull through the loop. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through only 1 loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops on the hook. We have created our second half double crochet and our chain. Again, yarn over, insert your hook onto the chain, pull through the loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through only 1 loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops together. So now we have created our third half double crochet and the chain. Yarn over, insert the hook onto your third chain, pull through the loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through only 1 loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops on the hook. So we've created half double crochet and the chain again. So I hope this is easy for you to follow. And you got to understand how to create this foundation half double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead create a couple of more foundation half double crochet. So keep going. So here you go. I've created a couple of foundation half double crochet or chainless half double crochet. You can see we've created the chain and next row of half double crochet at the same time. I hope you got to understand what is foundation half double crochet. So please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.